Welcome everybody, welcome to Let's Play Shrinks. We have Kinetic Sand again.
We have Kinetic Sand.
I got it
This
for
is
my birthday.
Yeah, you got it for your birthday, didn't you?
Yeah.
This is some of the coolest stuff ever. I didn't know Kinetic Sand even existed. But it's pretty fun. It's some strange stuff. So what are we gonna do, Alex?
I want to make a ball.
Water.
Big ball. Big ball.
Yeah. What else can you do?
I got a dump truck.
A dump truck?
Okay, so
that came with it. This one came with it, with the Kinetic Sand set, and the jackhammer came with the Kinetic Sand. Okay, these were with another toy set, but they look good in here. So he's got a dump truck, a bulldozer, a cement truck, which doesn't hold anything, helicopter,
this goes like that.
front end loader, and an excavator.
And what's this?
Whoa!
He's a nice bulldozer.
Yeah?
Yes, because he put all the rocks in that dump truck.
He sure did.
He's very helpful.
And
Oh my
also came with a brick maker. You can make bricks out of it. But it's some fun stuff. And you can play with it in the house when it's 150 degrees outside. And look at that. It's so cool.
Look, he put all the Kinetic Sand in there.
Yeah.
Well, if he could put a lot of Kinetic Sand, he could carry it.
Yeah. All right, well, let's make some bricks. Let's try that.
Ooh, yeah. And he's going to dump all of this Kinetic Sand.
Oh,
And look. Only that.
it stayed just like the shape of the dump truck. That's pretty cool.
Okay.
All right, how about making some bricks? Let's make some bricks.
Yes. And now this guy has to get all the Kinetic Sand because he's big. Because he's a big, powerful bulldozer. He's big. He's a big bulldozer. Boy, oh boy.
Okay, let's see your bricks. Oh, one of them came out. So you can make bricks out of it and make like a little castle or a little house or a little wall or something. Pretty fun. I like it. I like this. This is what I like. It's like water. Sand water.
Sand water.
Yeah, and there Alex made I made a little wall. But there you go. And then the other one is Max Action. Max Action. It's fire, police, tracks. Came with this, so we just kind of put them all together. Helicopter. It's just, you know, some little toys you can play with in the water, in the dirt, in the kinetic sand, in the house, outside. Oh, there's your fire engines and stuff. Okay, cool. Do you have police cars too? Do you have police cars with it?
Yes!
Do you? Okay, we'll get those and see them all. So you got fire, police, and construction for the Max Action. Their trucks are always fun. So.
Ooh, this one could help in the construction.
Oh yeah, he's got a lift, a boom lift on him.
Ooh, yeah.
So, you know, we got a fire truck that goes up. And then we got the ambulance. And we got a boom lift police car, rescue truck. So, there we go. A lot of fun.
Thanks for watching Let's Play Trains. Give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
Bye.